G'day everyone, Average Alexis here, hoping you're having a good one. And today I thought I would show you a quick and easy hairstyle for the gym. Most of the time, well in my case, it's not the gym, it's basketball training. If I'm being entirely honest with all of you, I do kind of put a little bit of effort in for when I'm going to basketball training because we train at the same time as the boys. And my crush happens to be one of the boys that trains at the same time. So I'm just going to show you what I do to my hair for a basketball training session / gym session to keep it up and me looking pretty, basically. First of all, I'm going to go ahead and brush my hair. Alrighty, and now what I'm going to do is a step that I do sometimes but not other times, it just kind of depends. I'm going to take my L'Oreal Paris something or other, whatever that word says, I'm sure you guys can read it better than me, Extraordinary Clay Dry Shampoo. So I'm just going to do a little bit of that. And then after you've sprayed that through your hair, you're just going to run your fingers through it, massage it into your hair a little bit, and then brush it through as well. Alrighty, that just gives my hair a little bit of extra hold and cleans it up a little bit because it's a mess. Sorry if I'm really super red-faced. I couldn't be bothered putting makeup on because when I go to basketball training or the gym, I don't wear makeup. You're so cool, buddy. Sorry, someone just sped past a car or a motorbike or whatever. Anyway, so yeah, I don't tend to wear makeup before a basketball game, basketball training, or gym. Unless I've come from an event, I'm not going to be wearing makeup. Anyway, so now all we're going to do is just pull our hair up. Take your hair tie. And that's it. If you're like me and you have short hair and you have bits falling down at the back, feel free to use some closed bobby pins to keep them in place. So I'll turn around. I don't know if you guys can see that because my hair's probably in the way. And there you have it, an easy hairdo for the gym. I'm no offense to everybody who is fantastic at doing hair. I love what you do, but seriously, you don't need some fantastical hairstyle for the gym, okay? It's getting ridiculous where girls are rocking up to the gym with this fancy ass braid in their hair and by the end of the session it's fallen out. Or if you rock up to basketball with any sort of pretty hairstyle in your hair, it falls out by the end of the game. Speaking from experience, more often than not I come from events to a game or I come from work to training or something like that, and I've done my hair nicely for that. If I'm training properly, it's all fallen out unless I have put copious amounts of hairspray in my hair, and I don't always want to do that. Seriously, I mean, if you want to, I'm not going to put it, if you want to put the effort in to put an amazing hairstyle in your hair for a game or training or whatever, go for it. I'm not saying you can't, I'm just saying, why put the effort in if it's just going to fall out? If you're genuinely exercising, your hair's gonna come out, okay? My hair will probably come out of this, okay? I have basketball training tonight. My hair will probably fall out of its ponytail and I'll redo it at least 5 times. So yeah, just if you want to make the effort, feel free to, but unless you are prepared with a shit ton of bobby pins and a shit ton of hairspray and gel, it's not gonna look the same when you're finished if you're working out properly. If you're doing yoga or something like that, and I'm not saying yoga's not a proper workout, but if you're doing yoga or something where you're not running constantly like basketball, go for it, okay? But for me, this is it. Like, I even said at the start of the video, my crush trains at the same time as us. If he can't deal with me sweaty, red face with my hair messy, then he doesn't deserve me, okay? If you're going to gym and you want to do something pretty with your hair because you like a guy that's there, if he can't deal with the fact that you are working hard and you are sweating your ass off and your hair's falling out, then he doesn't deserve you, guys, okay? This is another one of my big pet peeves, okay? You don't need to have some fantastical hairstyle to impress a guy. Again, if you want to do it, go for it. I'm not going to stop you guys, and I want everyone to do what they want. But for me, even with a guy that I like being at the basketball training session, I'm still not going to change the way I do my hair. Unless I'm coming from work or an event or something, this is it for me. This is it. Like, literally, I rocked up to my game the other night with my hair down and I just pulled it back into a low ponytail. I'm pretty sure I looked like a dude, but do you think I gave two shits? No, because it stayed off of my face so I could concentrate on my basketball game. Anyway, rant done. Sorry about that, guys, but easy hairstyle for the gym or a game or anything like that, this isn't gonna fail ya. A simple ponytail. But that's a wrap for this video. Thanks heaps for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to. Remember, we've got that goal going on, guys. The link will be in the description below. Let's get to 1,000. Believe in yourself and be you. I've got to stop ad-libbing in my outro. I can't remember where I'm up to. Like that. I will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.